What's good, everybody? It's your boy Fadi, and I'm here at Orange Theory Fitness to do a little review. Why I decided to do this review is because people were asking me questions about what Orange Theory was and how it worked, and I had no clue what to answer. So after a quick Google search, I saw that this place had over 600 locations worldwide. So I decided to come to this location here at Point Claire to purchase this book to get a bit more information. Now that I read up on it, I have a couple of questions, so that's why we're here with...
So Jared from Gibson, the head trainer of Orange Theory Fitness, Point Claire.
Thank you very much for having me today, Mr. Gibson.
Right.
So, people come to me with their questions since I'm a kinesiologist and I'm coming to you for the answers. First question I have for you. What is Orange Theory Fitness?
Orange Theory Fitness is group personal training at its best. It's the best 60-minute workout, which we use cardiovascular, using the treadmills, rowers, and striders, as well as bikes. We also have TRX straps in there, ab dollies in there, free weights in there, visual aids in there to get you through that. It's with a personal trainer, a certified personal trainer, who's going to work you through this workout for 60 minutes.
Interesting, interesting. Tell me more about the live biofeedback. So you have real-time biofeedback?
Yeah, real-time biofeedback. So people walk in, they're hooked up to a pod or a link. They're hooked up to a wristband. When they come into the studio, their wristband syncs up with our OT beats. And what that means is it lets us know that these guys are going to be in your class, and lets you know that as they're going through the 5 different zones, that we're going to be aware and we're going to be able to show them what their zones that they're going through.
So when you mean a pod, you mean a heart rate monitor?
A heart rate monitor.
So you can wear this around your chest, you can wear this around your wrist or on your arm?
Correct.
So basically you come into class, you're working out, and you have a screen in class?
Yes, we do. It's called OT beats.
Alright, OTB. So basically, while I'm working out, what am I seeing on the screen?
So you're seeing the 5 different zones that people are working through. They're starting off in the gray zone, which is a light zone. That means light activity. You spend about 2 to 3 minutes in that zone. As you're gravitating towards the blue zone, once again, it means a little bit of I'm warming up now. So that means I'm going from a light activity to I'm starting to warm up and get into it. When people are starting to get into that zone, the fat burning zone, it's the green zone. We ask that we spend 12 to 24 minutes in that green zone, and then from there we have 2 other zones left, which are orange and red. We ask that they spend at least 12 to 24 minutes plus in that zone.
So all of this within the hour?
That's within the hour.
So what we see on screen is the heart rate?
It is your heart rate in real time.
Perfect, that's very interesting. This is like futuristic training, right? I'm all about combining a good workout with science. That's how you get the best combination.
Correct.
In the book, I read something that was called EPOC. So that's excess post-exercise oxygen consumption.
That's correct.
Correct me if I'm wrong. That means the afterburn, right?
Correct.
That means that if you work out at the right intensity, if you go through all 5 levels, all 5 stages, all 5 zones, after your workout, you should be burning calories.
Yes, you should be burning calories. What happens is, provided that the number of consumption of calories you burn in your class, you have an additional 24 to 36 hours afterwards to burn an additional 300 plus calories, provided that you eat well.
Provided that you eat well. Remember that, people, provided that you eat well. So you can't just come train and then eat whatever you want. You gotta eat well afterwards.
Correct.
So, I also saw, since I downloaded it, you guys have an app.
Yes, we do.
So this app is more than just registering for a class.
Of course.
Tell me what you can do with this app.
You can use this app for registering for your classes online. This app also is one of those apps that basically categorizes your workout based on strength, endurance, and power. So it categorizes it in terms of the workout, so you can keep track of how you're doing with each particular workout.
Perfect.
It gives you a summary.
And does it save it? Do I have access to this?
Yes, you can save it and you can pull it up on each day and say, hey, this day I actually burned this many calories on this particular day, which is strength. Strength tends to be one of my best days.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Perfect. So thank you very much for answering my questions.
Thank you very much as well.
Last thing I wanted to do was put the theory to the test.
All right, are you doing the class?
No, I got one of my friends doing the class though.
All right, yeah.
Let's get it done.
A few moments later.
What's good, everybody? I hope you guys enjoyed this video half as much as I enjoyed making it. I will be making a follow-up video explaining the pros and the cons of Orange Theory Fitness and why we chose Vikas to do the workout instead of myself. Also, if you tune in next week, you will have a chance. You will see how you have a chance to win a Fitbit Alta HR. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon. Peace!